And then you can also, during the time change, when we put the clock forward or backward, so when you put it forward, the daylight saving, you want to add 1 hour to this body clock. So right now, if you're looking here, between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., that's heart energy, 11 a.m., 1 p.m. During daytime saving is going to be between 12 and 2, right? So you add the 1 hour and to the clock. And then you can also, this particular body clock cycle, it's also used, and he explains, when we travel across multiple time zones, why the body is experiencing jet lag. Basically, jet lag is the organ systems trying to catch up with the new time change. You're supposed to be asleep based on where you're coming from, supposed to be asleep, but all of a sudden you're having lunch or dinner, completely different time zone. So the fatigue is the energy that the body requires, it takes to catch up with the new time change. And they say it takes 1 day per 1 hour of time travel. So even when you go, the United States, so from the West Coast to the East Coast, that's 3 hours change. Even 3 hours can be more work for the system. So even when you don't have to travel internationally or across multiple time zones, 2 or 3 are plenty to catch up to. It takes time to catch up with the new time change. And so when you go to Europe, Asia, those long distances, multiple time zones, 5, 10, 15, it takes a lot of time for the body to catch up. So, you should be patient with yourself and allow the system to catch up. There are things that can be done, stimulating specific points. It's beside the focus of this course, I'm not going to go into that, but you can always utilize elemental aspects of the Chinese medicine, which will go more into depth later in this course, the wood element, fire element, things that we can use to help the particular organ system and element. Again, we'll talk more about the natural remedies when we go into the particular course, the particular lecture, which is coming up shortly.